Hey y'all, it's your girl Suki. Thank you for tuning in to Suki's Honeydew Project. I hope that you're continuing to do something sweet for yourselves. I know that I have not been doing good by myself, but I'm starting new today. So thank you for sticking with me and for checking in. And please tell me everything you've done. I want to hear all of it since I've been on hiatus. Okay, let's talk about the three things that I got into since I've been gone. Went to a play, pretty exciting. Signed up for boxing, three. And I'm going to a masquerade ball. Some other things that happened during that time, but I want to jump right into that. So, again, thank you for tuning in to Suki's Honeydew Project. I am so glad you're here. I want you to know that you are the best you that you can be. And I am so happy that I get to know you. Please let me know how you're doing. Please let me know the things you have signed up for the fall. Let me know what you've gotten into. Let me know if you've been feeling like kind of down and things just haven't been turning out right. It is about to change. Trust me. You are amazing. Okay, so went to a play. I went to see To Kill a Mockingbird at the Kennedy Center. It was really, really exciting. We were in like the best seats and pretty much could smell the actors. That's how close we were. And I guess this was like a different take on it. It had a lot of funny antidotes during the whole play. I don't remember the book having that many funny scenes. So I think this was like a rewrite, but it was a great show. I don't know if you remember that one show. Oh, now I can't think of the name. John Boy, the boy who played John Boy, was in this play. Everyone did a great job. It was just a memorable time. I took my daughter with me. Actually, it was our neighbors who invited us to the play. So thank you to my neighbors, Kelly and Shannon, the best people on earth, invited us to the play. My daughter had never read the book. The school did not make them read that. That's quite interesting. Did your school make you read To Kill a Mockingbird? To Kill a Mockingbird? Was there any like classic books that you had to read during school? Let me know. Put it in the comments. Okay, what's the next thing? Signed up for boxing. It's not like it's not like someone's punching my face. I'm not doing that. It's like glamp boxing. Like there's a bag and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not sparring. I'm not I'm not doing that. I'm over there working my butt off. And the instructor, who is built like a brick shithouse, turns to the side because I stopped moving. Of course, I stopped moving because who the heck can keep up with this crap? She turns to the side and is like, "You can't get this by standing there." Listen, lady, maybe I don't want a quarter to bounce off my boobs. Maybe that's your thing. Maybe I don't want to be so strung tight. Maybe I just want to be fluffy. I feel like this is a very judgy place right now, and I'm just gonna cry myself to sleep. It was a great class. It's Boombox in DC. It has music, and you keep up with the moves as you're going through the class by also jamming out. So it's really high impact, very fast. There's a lot of people in there, and again, why do I always get called out? Is it because it's my first time taking the class? Or do I look like I need to be talked to? Always getting called out, and I don't like it. And then she had the nerve to tell me she liked my hair. You can't like my hair, lady. You just tried to kill me. We cannot be friends. Just because you can bounce a quarter off every single part of your body does not make you better than me. It does actually a little bit. If we were to go to war, she would completely win because I too fluffy. But I would like to change that. So I'm going to go back. I've gone back twice. I have one more class. I signed up for 3 classes for $45. That's not too bad to die for an hour and some change. And they give you free gloves for the class. So it's a win loser. lose lose or whatever. So we'll see how that goes. I'm looking at some more exercise things that I need to join because the goal is to lose 30 pounds before the next summer rolls around. So stay tuned. Let's see what I can get into or get off of. You never know. Okay. Next thing, I signed up to go to a Halloween masquerade ball. Pretty excited. I'll be taking some pictures. I have the dress, I think is coming in, but the mask, I don't know which way I want to go. Do I want to do like something really scary or something like sexy and scary? I don't know. So still trying to decide on that one. What are y'all going to do for Halloween? I got on my It shirt. You going out? You do anything fun? You sign up for any trunk or treats? I was reading this article that was talking about how all these like trunk or treats or meeting at neighbors' houses is kind of killing the traditional going door to door and getting candy. I hope that doesn't happen. I hope because America does not know how to like stay middle. I hope it doesn't swing too hard, like how we don't have Girl Scouts going door to door anymore. That was probably a terrible idea in the first place when you actually think about it. But I don't think we should stop the Halloween tradition of knocking on strangers' doors for free food. Well, okay, so I got something amazing for myself because my best friend's son was selling something for his school. And of course, I had to buy something because when they can win a free teddy bear, even though you could literally buy everything they can win from these fundraisers. You could literally just order it. I decided to help out. So, restaurant copycat cookbooks. Let me know your favorite restaurants that I can try to see are in this book. See if I can recreate it or die trying, like 50 Cent, something like that. Okay. Has anything else been going on in your life? You got any new money coming in? Because that sounds like a great idea. I need to figure out how to get like a second job that's not like a job. One that's like this, but I get paid. This is my new goal. So let me know what new hustle goal you have come up with and what's been happening. This morning, my daughter and I went out to a Thai market. It had every single type of Thai food beyond drunken noodle that you could think of. I know you were like, where's the drunken noodle? Yeah, we've got to think beyond drunken noodle, people. When you eat Thai, there's more on the menu, you know? And the little ladies, they make you feel so special. They call you over and they're like, for you, just for you. 3 for 10. Oh, don't try to flatter me, lady. I know you said this to everybody, but okay. I'll get it. I'll spend my money right here. So we had a good time. We went to Sterling, Virginia. Whenever you leave Alexandria, they gatekeep. And what I mean is they have toll booths on the highway once you leave my little city to keep out the riffraff. I think it works, because who wants to spend $5 to rob another city? Because then you have to actually spend 10. So you go there, it's 5, and when you come back, it's 10. So you're not paying a toll to go rob anybody, You have to just already be living in that city to be robbing people. It's Virginia was thinking. That's why my city is going downhill. Everybody's robbing us left and right. We don't have any gatekeeping. We got to get some toll roads. I was just joking. We do not need toll roads. We need community involvement. No toll. I was just joking. I've been hearing stories about Texas. Apparently, as soon as you get on the highway, it's like $5 a mile. What the heck? You're like $20 in before you even go anywhere? Mm-mm. No, sir. I cannot deal with racism and toll roads. You have to pick a struggle. Okay. That's all I'm going to say about that. I do love Texas, though. Like, all right. Thank you for tuning in to Suki's Honeydew Project. Please be sure to check out my other videos. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment and share so that other people can tell me how amazing they are, because y'all are. Y'all are amazing. And no one else can be you but you. And I'm so glad that you're here. So let's share this love. Let's spread it amongst our friends and tap in. Check out all of my Slasher Family Sports family. God, I can't even talk. Check them all out. Their links are in the bio. Hit us up. See how we're doing. And let's end it with one last story. Okay. Crime scene story. I was a crime scene tech. And stop me if I said this one before. So, as a crime scene tech, you also had to give like breathalyzers or blood sample. You had to get blood samples from the hospital if somebody was like in an accident that involved alcohol. So I get to the crime scene. It is a 4-passenger car. They hit the median so hard, the engine landed on the other side of the highway. The car is total, completely done. Like no one should be living. Cop's gonna tell me, hey, crime scene tech, you got to go to the hospital to get some blood. I said, from what? Everybody should be deceased. I mean, there is just no way. But the Lord protects children and fools. So, of course they survived. Engine was on the other side of the highway. So I get to the hospital, and the guy who was driving the car is completely like swollen up. Like his whole head is just swollen. Like you can't see nothing. His face is in a cast. His whole body is in like a non-movable cast. I'm like, oh, he's dead. Why am I here? Like, like, ain't no way this thing is living. So I did what I was supposed to do and start reading him his rights or whatever that's on the back of this thing that I have to read. And I hear, what you reading that to me for? I said, what? What you reading that to me for? I wasn't even driving. I said, are you serious right now? You should be dead and ashamed of yourself. You know you were driving. Your girl is laid up. She was in ICU, by the way. She was in ICU getting worked on. And this man wanted to blame it on the girl. He said, I wasn't even in the driver's seat. I said, you shouldn't even be alive right now. You need to thank the good Lord that you can even be this nasty. You look dead. What in the world? Give me this daggone blood. Get the hell up out of here. You need to go pray and go to church. You look dead. And I left. I didn't get in trouble. Honestly, he needed that talking, because what in the hell? His whole face was just a blob. Like there was no discernible mouth. And he had the nerve, the audacity to try to blame it on a woman that was in ICU. The Lord protects children and fools. I am trying to tell you. Okay. Let me know everything. Tune in. I am going to do better. I'm so excited to be back. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you get to your honeydew list. Do something sweet for yourself or your community. Let me know what you're doing for the people around you or what you're doing for yourself. Look forward to it. Talk with you soon.